Well, I got my little Bimini top back from A1 Canvas. Looks like they did a pretty good job. They redid all the seams with Gore-Tex thread. So, shouldn't rot. But the key is make sure you use a good waterproof, or I'm using a silicone water guard. I'm going to hit all the seams, and then of course the outside part on the top. Then once that's all done, I'll go ahead and put it back on the frame. Well, here's the finished product. It came out pretty good. Had the top sewn up, repaired, and I waterproofed it before I put it on. So I like how it came out, and A1 Canvas did a good job. Charged me $85 to re-sew all the seams, and then had to take apart the Bimini frame, slip it back on, and came out good. Happy with it.